You are welcome to this channel. Don't forget to like, to share, and also to subscribe. In the news, social media reacts to recent post by suspended Rivers Governor Siminalayi Fubara. Suspended Rivers State Governor Siminalayi Fubara has shared a brief message on his official X account, sparking reactions from social media users across the country. The governor posted on Monday, September 1st, 2025, extending a warm greeting to the people of Rivers State as they entered the new month. His message, which read simply, "Welcome to the month of September," came shortly after the conclusion of the state's local government elections. Fubara's post has generated a wave of comments, with users expressing a mix of support, curiosity, and opinions about the governor's ongoing political relevance despite his suspension. Screenshots of some reactions have circulated online, showing the diversity of perspective from the public. According to Vanguard, the suspension of Governor Fubara and other members of the Rivers State House of Assembly is scheduled to end on September 18. This timeline adds significance to the governor's social media activity, as it's come amid speculation about his return to active political duties and influence in the state. Observers noted that even a simple greeting from the governor can draw attention, reflecting his continued visibility and influence among Rivers State citizens. The post also demonstrates the role of social media in shaping public discussion around political figures, even during periods of temporary removal from office. As Rivers State residents look forward to a new month, the reaction to Fubara's post highlights the enduring interest in his leadership and the developments surrounding the state's political landscape. Here are the comments from the people. Victorino said, "Suspended Governor of Rivers State." Another one, Lateef Okunla Adeola, replied, "Happy New Month." Another person called Virus also said, "This guy still dey." Another one, John Imaredon, he also said, "You will triumph above your enemies." Cryptolab Fire said, "Happy New Month. What happened to Rivers State yesterday, my governor?" Another one, who is named I Pledge to Nigeria, he says, "Congratulations on your mouth-watering election." Well, those are some of the reactions that came on the social media as regards the post that was made by Governor Siminalayi Fubara, looking at the singular fact that a lot of his supporters and a lot of Rivers people love him and they really want him back in power. They want to enjoy the dividends of democracy. I think his persona as is also something to write home about, because it seems as if the sole administrator is a stranger to the people, even though he might be performing his role or his duty. But it seems as if the Rivers people are falling in love with Siminalayi Fubara, and they are looking for a son of the soil that will come and take over the reign or the ends of affairs of the state. And looking at the antecedent of Fubara also, the few 1.5 years he has spent and the work that he has done, to a large extent probably has warmed into the heart of so many people in Rivers State. And not only that, the manner in which he was also removed as a result of the feud between him and his erstwhile predecessor also granted him some sympathy, even from the hearts of some people in Rivers State. But be it as it may, everyone, left, right, and center, old, young, and new, and they are all yearning and waiting even for his reinstatement. And the belief is that come September 18, the man will be reinstated, the sole administrator will be removed, because the emergency rule will have elapsed, it will have been 6 months. Be it as it may, I think Mr. Fubara should at least make sure that he doesn't let people down, because with users expressing a mix of support, curiosity, and opinions about him, is very, very important, very, very important, and they should not betray their trust. It means they really mean well for him. They want him back, and they want him to reclaim the mandate and also continue his good work. And I think the best thing Fubara can do, even for the people of Rivers, as a result of the support he has gained from them, is to make sure that he compensates all of them with good dividends of democracy, right governance, and making sure that there is no opportunity like before again, that such situation that warranted a mismanagement of an issue that now led to the declaration of a state of emergency ever occur again. We should try as much as possible to work to avoid any of such thing even in the nearest future. Of course, people are bound to react, and some of the reactions are mixed. Some people were just thinking, is it still there? But though it's not supposed to be, you don't just write off somebody like that. He's a human being, he's not dead. And but because of the mixed reaction, some people might even say certain things because of the love they have for him, but they may even say the wrong thing. But be it as it may, some believe that, of course, he's coming back to power, and when he gets to power, he's going to do the needful. And like those who are pro Fubara and don't want to see Wike, of course, they too will want a situation whereby at least the governor should keep talking. And of course, kudos should be given to him, irrespective of the fact that he was suspended. Yet, he was still popular, even in the midst of his people. And that is a very good mark for him. And that's why, like I said earlier, he must recompense, he must repay, and he needs to reciprocate the gesture that is being extended to him by the people of Rivers State. It is very, very important. And of course, he should also be very careful of whatever he's going to be posting, because there are bound to be situations in which people may want to misinterpret him. I could remember that Wike was saying state of emergency wasn't in their plan. What they have in mind was to impeach Fubara completely, and that's their plan. But it didn't work as anyway. But be it as it may, the whole of the local government election is going to be in the hand of APC now. We only have two stronghold for PDP. The rest were cleared by APC, meaning that Fubara might eventually decamp to APC, maybe in the nearest future. But as of today, I think he still remains a suspended, governor of Rivers State, who belongs to the People's Democratic Party, which is the PDP. And at the end of it all, we are going to see, maybe by September 18, Mr. Fubara will return to the State House, and then in days gone by, we are going to see whether he's going to shake body like other people are shaking their body now, moved from the current political party to another political party. And also, he must make sure that whatever thing he meets on ground after the departure of the sole administrator, he should pick it up and run with it. He should correct every necessary thing, dot every I and cross every T. Don't forget to like our channel, keep giving us your thumbs up, and make sure you share our stuffs on this channel. Thank you.